Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can turn off screen lock and unlocking sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. While locking your phone there will be a small sound. Listen it. It will be very small sound. When you unlock there will be a sound. If you want to turn off screen lock and unlocking sound, yes, you can do it. For that, just go to the settings in your phone first, and then go to sounds and vibration. Then go to system sounds and vibration control here, and under sound here you go to turn off screen lock unlock. This is just turn off it. Now you will not get any sound while locking your phone or unlocking your phone. See here, now there is no sound. There is no sound both the times, that is screen locking and unlocking. So in this way you can easily turn off or turn on screen lock and unlocking sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.